So it is a gorgeous, gorgeous day today, and we are gonna go, we're gonna go to this nature center by our house, and I'm so excited. I haven't been there, okay, let's not break those. I haven't been there since I was a kid, and I forgot, like, I think they have chickens and goats and like, all these like fun little activities and things to do, so I gotta get myself together. She had a quick, like, literally not even 40-minute nap, and it's like 12:30, so hopefully we leave in about a half hour. She just had her lunch, and we're gonna have a good day, right, Angelina? We're gonna see the animals? Are we gonna see the animals today? Yeah, and we're gonna see the birds with the feathers. She's wild. She's wild. It seriously is the most gorgeous day for this. There is not a cloud in the sky. I got our bag and I got shoes I gotta return for her afterwards. Dad stopped by for a second, so he's gonna put her in the car for me. You ready to go see the animals? Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. I got your sneakers in the bag. All right, let's get going. Go ahead, princess.
There you go. The queen.
The queen.
There you go. Bye, Mama. Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
You ready, mamas? And if you guys follow me on Instagram, these are her new little sneakers. How cute! But I don't want to put them on her feet in the car because I feel like she's gonna rip them off and put them in her mouth. So, but I'm so excited because now I could take her and I could like stand her up outside and see the animals. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. Of course we get here and it's like a quick diaper change because this one. It's okay, my love. It's okay, we're all good now. We're all good. It is, guys, it's such a beautiful, beautiful day. So we're gonna, I got you strapped in your stroller. We got our diaper bag. I'll probably lose one, but hopefully not. Should we get your shoes? Okay. You ready, mamas? She's so excited. This is something we've never done before. So, you are so cute with your little sneakers. Let's not lose them, okay? It's okay, look. Look how beautiful. So pretty. Oh, there's the kid crying. Let's see. All right, I was not prepared for this workout. Maybe I shouldn't have brought the stroller. Maybe I shouldn't have brought the stroller. Then where do I go? Angelina, where's like, did I go the wrong way? These are all the trails and stuff, but where's like the nature center? Oh dear gosh, it's down there. All right, that wasn't so bad. It's really good to have a really rugged, durable stroller. The shoes are still on. 2 moms already walked by saying they lost shoes. Not a problem. Greenberg Nature Center. Okay, we're gonna go see the chickens. I don't know where the girl said, but we're just gonna explore. So far you're loving it anyway. Who cares? We're outdoors. I think do we make a right or a left? I think it's a left. Oh, what's down here? Nope, it's down here. I have not been here since I was a kid. Like, we used to always go on school trips here. What do you see, Angelina? I can't handle you. You're such a big girl now. We gonna go see the animals? Ooh, this is cool. There's different trails and paths, which I love, but kind of can't be taking her out on that right now. My back's not in the greatest shape. Look at this, Angelina. Can I shove you in there? Look. Look, what do you think? Look, you're looking up. What are you looking at? The trees. She's obsessed with trees and nature. That's why I feel like this is like the best day for her. What do you see, Mama? Trees? Do you see them blowing? You're so smart. Let's go see the birds. Chickens. Look, you see the chickens? What is that? All the chickens? Chickens, look. Look at the chickens.
And then maybe we'll go sit on a picnic table and we'll eat our snacks.
Look at the chickens, Angelina. Look. It's really hot today. Jeez, I'm sweating. Maybe it's because pushing the stroller and everything. Look. Oh. Say hi, chickens. Hi, chickens.
They're right over there.
What do you see? Look at the sheep, my love. Bah. Look at the animals. Bah. And there's a chicken in there and the goats. Oh, they scared. There's the animals. You wanna go see? Look, we got the whole place to ourselves. It's such a gorgeous day too. Look at the animals. Look. They're right there. What's he doing? Oh, they're playing with the food, huh? Are you fascinated by it? That's the goat and the chickens. Goat and chickens. They're looking for food. They're looking for food. So we're right here next to the chicken. There's a goat somewhere back over here. Hi.
What's her name?
Angelina.
Hi.
Say hi. You see the chicken right there? There's a chicken right there. There's two of them. Say chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Where's the goat? There's a baby goat there. There's a baby goat. It's so cute. It's right there. You like it, Angelina? The chickens. You see the sheep down there? Say ba, ba. We got the bald eagles over here. There's two of them. Do you see it moving? Look. You see the big bird? Whoa. Not impressed? Okay, we'll keep going. What's that bird doing? Hi, baby. What's it doing? Do you like it? Do you see him over here? Look, right over here. We can't get close, okay? Angelina, what do you think? We're at the little playground because I can't read maps, but so we're just gonna keep climbing and hiking. It's so cute. This is like seriously the perfect day for this because it's so gorgeous out. So gorgeous. So cute, right? And you only took one quick nap today, so this is gonna wear you out. Wow, Angelina! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Kick, kick, kick! I'm gonna get you. It's actually a really cool swing. Let's put you a little bit better. You got it? Oh, oh, you just sink down a little. It's okay. Whoa! 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 Wow! I see you! Kick, kick, kick. You like it? You want to go down the slide? Wow. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Nice big swing. Mom could feel like a kid again. Not sure how you think of this. So there's like so much to do and I can't read a map. And I feel like I'm going kind of in circles, but I don't want to go on the terrain, like all the crazy like things, because I have a stroller and I wasn't prepared for all that. And I think it's getting close to feeding her another bottle, so. See the frogs, the frog pond. But I don't think I know where it is. But I think she's kind of growing tired. It was a lot of excitement. Ooh, maybe this sign will say where the frog pond is. Maybe I could just ask someone. All right, I think we're good. So an FYI, I would probably not bring a stroller unless you have a really good, this is the Nuna Mix, and this thing is no joke. It goes over everything. But we wanted to go see the frogs, but the trail was like just too like crazy. So I said, yeah, let's go back to the car, have our bottle, and then we're gonna be on our way because I don't want her to get sick from all the bumps from everything. Right, Mama? She loved it. Oh my God, it was so cute. So there was a bit of a meltdown leaving the nature center. Oops. There we go. So we went grocery shopping. Look, Angelina. And now it's so gorgeous out, so we're just gonna do some bubbles. Ah. Did you get it? What? Oh. Hand is covered with soap. But that's okay. Wow, Angelina. Look. Wow, look at the wind. It's blowing them for me.